yellow, violet. Okay. Don't touch the color.
Nakita ko, ganyan.
Sige na.
Blue, violet. Restart. Don't touch the color green, red. Red, yellow, orange, yellow, green, red, blue, violet. Sino ang matapang? Yan na. Yan na. Yellow, green, violet, orange, blue, red.
Next mo na si CJ. Pwede naman. Si BJ. Pwede naman si BJ maglaro.
Blue, violet, orange. Orange, violet, green, yellow.
Focus ka sa goal.
Natalay ka. Okay. Don't touch the color orange, violet, red, green, yellow, red, violet. Color green, yellow, red, blue, violet, red, green. Pinuksan na yun. Napuksan na. Napuksan na. Okay. Don't touch the color blue, red, green, red, yellow. Parang easy lang yun doon ah. Parang easy lang siya. Ate Rosel. Okay na. Don't touch the color green, orange, red, yellow, blue, orange, yellow, red, violet, orange, green, yellow. Okay na. Don't touch the color green, blue, yellow, red, yellow, violet, blue, red, green, yellow, red, orange, green, red, violet, green. Don't touch the color yellow, red, green, blue, red, yellow, orange, yellow, red, violet, blue, green, red, orange, blue, yellow, red, violet, orange, blue, red, green, violet. Sino?